Hey everyone, welcome back to the Turns. I'm Karthik, and today we are going to talk about how you can increase your employee productivity using Assign Employee. So let's get started. Here we are on the home screen. You will see multiple options like quick order, dry cleaning, pickup request, delivery request. But for assigning employee, we'll first need to create an order. So let's click on the new order. Here we can search the customer. Let's suppose we have a customer named Kathy, and this is the customer details page. You can check how many active orders she have, and let's click on the continue button to process the order. Here we'll select some items and we can increase the quantity from there, and another item will be like quilt, and let's increase the quantity and add to order. Now if we click on charge now, we'll see an tip amount section. Here we are giving $2 $20 tips, and click on the proceed button. There are a lot of payment options, but we'll select the cash and pay. Now we are on the order details page. This is the order we have just created. Here from the assign employee section, we can add some employees for this order. Like we are assigning Kirthana. Also we are assigning Alex, and let's save this. Turns automatically calculates and divides the percentage amount among them. Plus you can track how many items and pounds each employee have worked on. If you want to check how much an employee worked on a specific date, let's go to the report section here in the POS, and this is the report section. Yes, so this is the report. If you want to check the detailed information for employee productivity, we need to switch to the business manager. This is our business manager, and this is the home screen of our business manager. Here in the sidebar menu, you will see a option of reports, and here in the report, this is the employee productivity section. Here you can check the detailed information about every employee, like how many tips they get, how many quantity they have processed, and or let's suppose if they worked on LBS items, so how many LBS they have processed, and also the total number of orders they worked on. And also you'll see some date filters over there, and you can select the employees from there. We are just selecting Kirthana, and only Kirthana's data is showing up there. And one more thing, you can also check the statistics from the statistics section. Here you can check the employee productivity on the statistics, like how many quantity have processed by Alex or Kirthana or any other employee. You can just check from there. And that's how you can use the assign employee feature in Turns to boost productivity and track employee performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you in the next video. Thank you.